All right, this is a key fob for a 1998 Mercedes-Benz C230, and it wasn't working, and I put two batteries in it and it still wasn't working. So it's how the batteries go in that makes the difference, of course. And I just want to show you guys, if you're wondering if your key fob is not working correctly or not, this quick video will help you out. All right, so you got to push this back button and then pull it out. All right, I already put the batteries in correctly because I just found out that it worked. So depending on what side you're looking at, this is the bottom side and this is the top side. So the battery, which is a CR 2025, the positive is going up and the positive is going up. All right, so we go here like that. So you got both positives facing up on the top side as opposed to the bottom side. So as long as you see that strip that's going all the way across, that's where the negative is going to be touching. And you're going to put the second battery on top the same way, and then you hold it together like this and you put it back in. It may be a little challenge to put it back in, but take your time. It'll go in. Of course, this has to be on this side. Quite the challenge, huh? So, wait a minute, it came out, so it has to go back in. There we go. So I see what you have to do. This has to be pointing down towards the side, and it goes in easier. Or so I thought. Jesus. There we go. Push that back in. Pull this back so the key will go in. And you should see that light up. If the light doesn't light up, then your key fob is not working. And you have to most likely change the batteries. These are not cheap, so don't give up hope. And that's it. Hope this video was helpful. All right, guys and girls, be cool.